welcome back to another episode of Pokemon Clover, the series. We're back again with my team that is doing pretty great. And we're going to Beehive, but I don't remember how to go to Beehive. Okay, here, right? Yeah, this is the skewers. Okay, Miasmer. Okay, Bandash. We're going to Beehive because I don't know what else to do. And Oil Slam. Okay, Bandash. Can't escape? Then die. Okay, Smelox, got away safely. Noson, got away safely. And we're back here at Beehive. This was, oh yeah, the guy with the memes. Okay, let's check the song first. Beehive City. What kind of place is Beehive City? Hello. There's nothing better in life than coming home from work to a nice warm finger box and some scope. Oh, Kenyan. The tweet. The tweet. The tweet. Hi, I'm part of the campaign board to ban the sale of scalp in Beehive City. Would you like to join our cause? What's a scalp? You will pay for misusing our memes. Let's battle. No, I'm kidding. I'm just cosplaying as a Team Karma Grunt. I was convincing, weren't I? Yeah, I was preparing to battle. Hello, I collect vintage finger boxes. If you find any vintage finger boxes, I would gladly buy them from you. Okay, that's good. Hello. Hi, this is an internet cafe. Feel free to use the pieces here. Okay, let's... Oh, I posted the banana again. I'm such a funny guy. Bruh. My code has a special power. It reflects all statuses except single. Who teach magic code? Nah. Even if I were to give my wife a pearl necklace, she would still be repelled by me. That's just sad. He doesn't notice you. Grand Rips, Volume 7. Okay. And battle in Pokemon Clover Online on their custom showdown server. You should give it a try sometime. Oh, that could be nice for streams. I hope the club staff don't know that I've been torrenting many gigabytes of anime with their Bruh. Man, I wish I could browse red board here too, but I don't want anyone seeing the dirty red board stuff I've been looking at. Hello there. I'm trying to write a sensible and coherent post on my regular board, JP. Would you like to read it? Yes. Feel your reading janitor IRC login and see cooking the burnware and chin case length fish and make them such out my asshole, but Renato shit so I take me most pen and stick in my ass and give burnware and fish. 1. Sold me blooms. 2. Shadabatch in my underhatch. Liquid shine. Oh lord. The more you get drinking. Well, what do you think? Bro, I didn't even understand anything. But please, I'm very shy. My mom told me I should leave my room sometimes so I can hear. I mean, there is at least One guy here that's exactly like you, so maybe you two should talk. That would be a pretty nice idea, I think. I heard there's a new Pokemon training place downtown called the Troll Hole. Think I will go check it out sometime. The Troll Hole. A new training place. That's the dojo? Is that the dojo? If you saw a cacodemon coming out of your toilet, what will you do? I would turn 360 degrees and walk away. 360 degrees. Yeah. Memes Incorporated. Is this the self-scope? The self-scope, the self-thing? GameStop will not accept used copies of this game, nor will EV Gaming. Copy that? Really sad. Here's a tricky problem for you. There are 3 boxes. One has 2 silver balls, one has a silver ball and a gold ball, and one has 2 gold balls. You reach into one box and pull out a gold ball. Do you know the probability that the other ball in the box is also gold? Yes. Wrong. No, of course you don't. Bruh. Hey man, can I trade my Bongeko for your bake-up? I'm kinda hungry. Bruh. Hey there, kid. The name is Harry Hoover. And have I got just the once in a lifetime deal for you? In only 4 easy payments, your Pokemon can partake in the use of my patented technique, Vacuum Wave. What I say? But I think, was Vacuum Wave any good? I don't remember though. Yeah. No sweat, kid. Oh, Harry is always around if you change your mind. Okie dokie. Did I meet anyone with this sprite? I mean, the sprite's cool. Does anyone else love the tough, oh, wait, never mind. Okay. Show me. It's Ethan Box cosplay. Let's go. Here's a trainer tip for ya. You suck, give up. Never give up. Akira Mennayo. Let's get a fabulous prize. Let's go. Okay. Don't you worry. No problem. Oh Lord. I'm just saying, man. Just because a wife min has a doesn't mean it's gay to love, bruh. Dude, wife min with are listed as male. It's totally gay to love it. I know who the champion is. It's your mother, and I've... Bruh. You are dumb. I don't even have a mother. Tamborita is so cool. I want to be a feminine like her when I grow up. No, please don't. At least not like her, I mean. Not like her. Why did I do that? Beehive Police Station. Right now I'm using a state-of-the-art lingo translation technology to pretend I am an underage boy on the internet. Whoa, nice. This is a laptop we confiscated from the last guy we got to take a seat over there. Bruh. Hello. Hey there, here to file a complaint or just jeer at the crews? There's nobody in this cell. Hopefully you won't end up here, right? Right. Hey, I'm from Team Karma. Admin Leon's gonna be here any minute now to bail me out. I hope. Sizzling snakes, you're that kid from the museum in Gadak City. I'll let you know Tim Karma got a stranglehold in this here city. My superior will probably be here quite soon to bust me out. Then I will give it to you good. Oh. Piss off before I break these bars and carve a canoe out of your torso. Bro. The guy in the next cell is all talk. He's only in here for shoplifting frilly clothes. Okay. The second floor here is where we keep the bigger offenders before shipping them off to the state prison. Oh, there is a state prison. What the heck? I thought I'd be getting some underage but this handsome guy told me to take a seat and the next thing I know I'm sitting in the jail cell. I mean, you deserve it though. I will have you know this is my 7th DUI offense. I don't even know what's a DUI offense. I will Google it later. Guess this is what I get for trying to smuggle top secret memes out of the office. Someone just can't handle a good meme when they say it. Okay. Okay, I already talked with this guy. Okay, the champest. Okay. I don't know if I want to go here. Oh lord. Oh lord. Okay. Just a little more. A little more. Want some donut? Here got my feet. Who? 4 feet or 2, it's all up to you. Eh? If they say their name, is it cancelled? What? Hello? Hello? I won't. Nah. Oh. I can teach you. Oh. What shot? Ah, a red shard. Yes? Which move? Oh, home close. Okay, that's interesting. Sharp, if you're saying this. This seems like a really nice place for you. Anyway, I'm just pretending I'm a conchilla using tickle on my Mazda. Discover how deep the rabbit hole goes. I don't wanna know. I love bonding. Bonding like what? Nothing comes close to the bond I share with my Pokemon. Oh. Okay. Yeah, Mazdog. And here we go. Beehive Flight School. Hello. Have you ever heard of our queen, Boxy? Would you like to join our cause? Boxy? This is where my club meets to discuss the latest conspiracy theory. My favorite Pokemon is called Illumino, but I don't think you can find them in Fortune. Maybe I will give you something cool if you show me one. Oh, I see. Maybe I can get one. Right now we're doing an investigation on the crashed object that appeared. Ah, yeah, the crash ship. For some reason the Lemao have been flocking to it. A potion, okay, that is not really good. Repeat ball? And fresh water, okay. I can use the fresh water. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Oh, I'm dumb. Sleeping. Hello, Okay. What about this boy? Is this boy good? There's a bed left rest. Let's go. Okay, this guy is sleeping. No, sir, don't drink the tap water. Turn in the frog. What? Conspiracies, I guess. And Beehive flight school. Okay. Okay. Oh, maybe they can teach me teach Kiara fly here. One day I will honor my ancestor by crashing my glorious Nippon steel into the Western Pegas. Or I will, but they have a no policy here after the last kamikaze attempt. I heard this is where CIA agents learn how to fly planes. They even teach you how to maintain altitude while keeping a door open to throw people out of the plane. I'm tired of being a flight attendant. I want to fly the plane myself. Oh. Welcome to the Beehive. Learn how to fly. Yeah, this is totally the MO for flying. Doo-doo. What are you? Tutoring room. Hello? As bowlers, we intuitively know the first law of people. What bounces up must come down. You want me to teach this to... No. If ball can't be life, then don't bother. I think I'm the only student here who's serious about wanting to fly. Why? Oh, flying a plane is something I haven't done since back in the war. I can't wait to go down, child. Come on. I've always wanted to learn how to fly a plane. One day I want to be just like Skylar. Oh, that's a nice goal, actually. My dad came here to the flight school in order to expand his vehicular horizons. I'm working so hard to become an ace. I've even crafted a TM during my studies due to my love for flying type Pokemon. I see you are a fan of flying type Pokemon as well. Then it's only right of me to hand you this. 40... Oh, I realize, okay. Teach it to all of your flying type Pokemon if you so desire. Can you fly this plane and land it? Surely you can't be serious. I am serious, and don't call me Shirley. They almost wouldn't let me in because of some superstition about big guys on planes or something. Huh? You ever seen a grown man naked? No, and I don't wanna. Yar, Harry there, kiddo. Remember me from back on Singles Island? Oh, is that you? Let's go. Let's go, my homie. Well, as it stands, I'm not just a world-class captain, but a world-class pilot as well. Well, not really. But I'm sure flying a plane is just the same as sailing once you get the hang of it. So you'd like some flying lesson from me then anyway? Here then, you can have this. Let's go! Let's go fly. And the rest should come naturally. Yo ho ho! Of course. And now we're good to go. Pretty nice. Okay. So, I already checked all of this. I don't know if I entered. No, okay, yeah, I went there. What about you? A street corner? You want to pay me to... Bruh. Hello. Yes, here at the GET laboratory we do research into the best way to optimize the obtainment of sweet, juicy GETs. What are GETs? This lab uses the latest technology to analyze number patterns on the internet and uses them to develop the next generation of GET script technology. We sell our GET script technology to both private shields and corporate buyers. I see. And now we're running an experiment to see if we can get more using an old script versus a newly developed script. We've been working on a new GET script that uses Bateman soft technology to more accurately time capture completion and moment of posting calculated by personal internet and 4chan server speed. So you're doing bots? Bots or something? I don't know. Ooh, a guy. Oh. What could this machine be? Okay, nothing. Okay. Nothing too interesting, so let's check. No. Okay, nothing. And what about this place? Nope. Singlets? No, you don't wanna come with me. Okay. Hello. I challenged my friend to a you laugh you lose competition. He left after I showed him a picture of a hitman and undressing itself. Bruh. How? Remember when Beehive used to be good? Of course you don't. You. Okay. That was a good one. Lock a door. Pingas. I love my pingas. Ninu! Oh, this is the Ninu that I've been looking for all this time. Yo, how can you be so... The sun has no chance against the lions. They just have to attack at night and they will... No, the sun is a huge ball of fire. We burn all those effing lions. They will all die of... Bruh. Dude, XD, you played my hack? It's funny, lots of toilet humor, dude. God bless America. Sure. Welcome. Would any of my psychic teachings be of interest to your Pokemon? Not really. But maybe later. Of course. Are you a bad enough dude to hit your own? Why would I do that? Hello, I'm the official name rater. Want me to rate the names of your Pokemon? No. I'm good with my nicknames. Hello there, I can rate your Pokemon IVs. No. I will be using these Pokemon whether they have good IVs or not. I work as a culinary arts teacher, but my students only ask questions about my feminine... I'm really a female, you hear? Okay. Yo. Help carry him back to his apartment? Yes. What happened? Last thing I remember is leaving bar after working 2 days straight. Did you help me get me home? That's mighty kind of you, kid. Here's something to you show my gratitude. Lax incense. Okay. This incense will lower accuracy. Oh, so was the owner of this house? This house, okay. Okay. What even is this? Lots of businessmen from Mimseng come here to eat and drink after long work shifts. Sometimes I have to carry them out when they get too drunk to make it to the door. Oh, so this is the bar. My ex-husband divorced me and took everything but this. Please take it. It brings only unpleasant memories. Thank you. Okay, birdhouse. Being a... Okay. Around by the company housing and look for half-wasted office slaves to try to playing with my... What? What? Beehive City. Just Beehive City. Oh, fortune's constantly building capital. Freddy, the killer queen. Yo! Oh, hey, Horn. The gym leader isn't in at the moment. He said he wanted to ride his bicycle, so he did. Come back later, will ya? Okay. That's alright. Okay. About this gym, we are probably going to do it fast when I can, because I can stand most of the jokes, but if you insult a guy that is so important for the musical scene, I can't take it. Trollhole, okay. Yeah, this is the dojo, that's for sure. Ouch. That's really that really hurts. Okay. So anyway, I think this is a good time to end the episode, because I don't want all episodes to be half an hour. So yeah, thank you for coming, thank you for watching. I really appreciate all the support. Until the next time. Bye bye.